LastSwab Reusable Cotton Swabs for Ear Cleaning by LastObject. Eco-friendly Q-tips. Case made of certified ocean-bound plastic, easy to clean, designed. LastSwab is the sanitary, reusable alternative to single-use swabs that can be cleaned using soap and water. Even paper, wood and hemp cotton swabs are bad. The Colorado II emissions from the production and transport of these single-use cotton swabs are enormous for just being used once. Let's make single-use cotton swabs a thing of the past. Both our two innovative designs feature a soft feel tip made of TPE. It is delicate enough to be suitable for sensitive body parts, and so precise that it'll become a makeup essential. Isabel Aagaard, 29, is a designer by trade and eco-conscious by nature. Frustrated by all of the single-use products out there, she decided to design innovative solutions to wasteful habits that make a lasting positive impact. LastObject was founded in 2018 with the first product being LastSwab, 2019, and then LastTissue, which was brought to life earlier this year. Isabel also just gave birth to her first child, a healthy perfect boy. As an eco-fighter and power mom that always leads by example, she truly stands by her products and hopes to inspire others to adapt to living sustainably. Top reviews from the United States. Great product, bad packaging. Cleaned sufficiently for me and I am a convert. I wear earplugs all day for work and have not noticed a difference in ear cleanliness since using this swab for a month now.